Alright guys, sorry that I haven't got a video out here recently, just been extremely busy doing Abba's work, but anyway, looking at this weather here, first of all, there's this low pressure system here that traveled all the way across the United States. It actually started right about where this one is, and just basically traveled clear across the United States. That's what brought the rain to Texas and to the central states and on across, was this low pressure system here. Now we've got this low pressure system right here that's going to be showing up in the northern states here before too much longer. And it actually started out here and worked its way all the way down the coast and came in through California, and is sitting right over Colorado, Utah, Arkansas, Kansas area, in that general area right now, basically over Colorado, and is headed to the north and east. So that's going to be bringing some pretty severe weather to the central states here in the coming days. So just be prepared for that, guys. For violent weather that's going to be erupting throughout the central states and make its way across to the east coast. Just want you guys to be aware of it, be alert of it. It's right here in Colorado at this point. It started out up here near the Canada border, came down the coast, entered through California, and sitting right about Colorado right now. And again, it'll be heading on a northeasterly track, or maybe easterly, I'm not sure. Then you've got this next one right here that's sitting right next to Oregon here, basically. That'll be coming on shore as well. So I'm not sure exactly what it's going to do. Right now, between this one and that one, there's going to be severe weather coming through the central U.S. Just be prepared for it, guys, and know that it's coming, and have a plan in case you get tornadoes or hail damage or what have you. Just be ready for it. Snow in other places. This is taking another look at it using Telecaster, but this is the low pressure system that traveled through the U.S. already. It's now sitting out in the Atlantic Ocean here. And then you've got this one here that is basically in northern Colorado, And again, it's heading on a northeasterly track. And then you've got this one coming onto the coast, west coast here. And then let's go ahead and take a look. Go to layers, go to snow cover, and see where we're at so far this year here in October. Basically all the mountain ranges are pretty much covered, and the darker the color, the deeper the snow, and a little bit in the northeast. Looking at the earthquakes here real quickly, nothing huge, nothing significant, but we did have a 4.7 that rattled Oklahoma. If you haven't heard about it, guys, again, I've been just entirely too busy, but there was a 4.7. Let me back this up. I'm only showing about the last 6 or 7 hours, but here's that 4.7 here, and then the aftershocks that followed in, and it was felt in parts of very, very, very northern Texas, as well as Kansas and Missouri and Arkansas, and I believe the very northwest corner of Louisiana also felt it, but I'm not positive on that one. So, but basically, if I lower these rings down here, basically that's the area. Well, that's basically the area it was felt, but it was actually felt kind of more out here in a weird pattern, not really a perfect circle, but more like this, just because of the structure of the land, I imagine. I don't know, but anyway, just wanted to bring you up to speed on that one. And that was a 4.7 in the U.S. Other than that, guys, you had a couple 5.8s down here. Let me get this. You can see right down in here, you had 5.1, 5.1, 4.8. Here's the two 5.8s over here near Fiji. And of course, Turkey's still getting its aftershocks to this day. Hasn't really changed. But that's the main thing on the earthquakes. Nothing huge, nothing massive. Other than Chile got another 5.7 down there. And just quickly here, looking at the last 24 hours. And this is the last 24 hours here. Again, you guys can download this. It's free. Just go to the link down below in the show more. So it's been fairly active. And then just looking at the last 48 hours here. A lot of you had that 6.3, but you have a lot of 4s and 5s going on along with that 6.3 in Central America there. But this is, again, guys, this is just the last 48 hours. A lot of activity in Indonesia. Again, you got a lot of volcanic activity going on in Indonesia as well. So, but that should bring you guys up to speed. And again, I'm sorry I haven't been getting very many videos out. Just been doing a lot of other things for Abba here. And again, Abba is the Aramaic version. Ab would be the Hebrew tongue, and it'd be either daddy or father in the English tongue. But I've been doing a lot of things locally here, and so I haven't really had the opportunity to be doing too many videos here. But I love you guys getting the word, staying the word, and I'll talk with you guys soon. Just want to bring you up to speed. Understand that there's going to be severe weather in the central U.S., and be prepared for it. Just have a plan, you know, in case something crazy happens. You know, it might turn into a blizzard, or might get a stray tornado, or a severe downburst, or something of that nature. So just be prepared for it. Get ready. And know that there's some pretty powerful systems getting ready to roll through. Again, we're setting up on the exact same pattern that we had back in March, April of this year, of 2011, and it's basically the exact same pattern. So just get ready for what's coming, guys. I love you guys. Get in the word, stay in the word, and I'll talk to you guys soon.